I've done over $75 million in sales on Amazon, and I've documented every single process you are going to need to do the same thing. I have over 1,000 students in my college level course where I provide this blueprint and step-by-step SOP on how you can go from zero to tens of millions of dollars in sales. This is what I want to show you today. It's going to be a step-by-step process where we break down every single SOP. There are videos, walkthroughs, tutorials, worksheets, and documents for every single one of these steps, starting with how to even find a potential product, how to validate that product using data. We have the most comprehensive data-based approach strategies for finding and validating and developing products that will win when you launch them on Amazon. If you look here, we've got product discovery and validation, we've got legal safety and compliance, sourcing, working with factories to develop and design custom products that will win once you launch them, logistics, how to get the product here efficiently, where to store it, how to work with Amazon, either through Amazon's global logistics program or to work with third-party logistics companies, photography, design, creating content that's going to be more appealing and help you win versus the competition. How to create a real brand versus just slapping your logo on a package. What makes your brand sellable? What is your USP? How do you do it better so that you get more sales? Also, we're going to teach you about preparing for launch, diving into the keywords so you know which keywords you're going to rank on and how to rank on them. We have the best approach for keyword research and launching on Amazon. It's why we've built our own software that nearly 6,000 Amazon sellers use. Then you're going to get to launch and you're going to use advertising and proper SEO strategies to rank to the top of all those keywords and push your business forward. And finally, we're going to teach you how to repeat that process and build a real company. How to build a real brand and company that can scale, not just to 1 or 2 million by yourself, which is possible, but to 8 figures and beyond. This is the blueprint. This is the private label process. These are the seller systems that we teach you at Seller Systems and for our Inner Circle college level program. I hope you join us. Check out the link below. It is where you need to be if you want to start a very successful Amazon business.